Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about mental health challenge or visit a mental health professional challenge. Thank you Pratishtha Shah for nominating me and thank you Nitin from iCheers who has initiated this challenge. This is wonderful activity which is creating awareness to the people why it is so important to visit a mental health professional. The question often asked to me by my patients was, uh, I Jyoti, I quite get often headaches, and after the painkiller it is okay, but this is quite continuous, or some kind of pain which is keep on coming in my body, and probably painkiller works, or if I just relax a bit, if I sleep a bit, it appears. But guys, this is a continuous process. If you see this kind of pain, do you know that our emotional pain is related to our directly to your body? So let's see how what kind of pain indicate what. So if you have a headache, continuous headache, these are the chances it might be through the uh, stress level is high. You might get the chronic headaches. Second, if your neck pain back here, that is where lack of forgiveness. You're carrying too much things. You're not able to forgive yourself or forgive others. Something is holding you back. Three, if you're having pain in the shoulder, I'm going to tell you a story about a monk and his student. Many centuries back, where there was a school education was not limited to four walls. It was more open. The education system was more experimental aspect. So that time, when monk was traveling with his student, he told the student, the people whoever you hated, people who think you being troubled, or you do not like, you hate them for some of the reasons, you are not able to forgive someone. What you have to do is take a sack, a small sack of potatoes, and every time whoever you remember that people who don't like or people you have something to do with which is you're not able to forgive, write their name on the potato and put one potato on a sack, and you have to carry it on your shoulder throughout our journey. So he said okay. Initial days, uh, slowly it was okay. He used to carry that sack on his shoulder. Initial days it was absolutely fine. After 15 days, the potato sack become very heavy, very stinky. Since ungratefulness was increasing, the number of potatoes was increasing in the snacks, and keeping for the long, it become rotten. Remember, this is a story of rotten potatoes. So he said to the master, I cannot continue like this. This is really stinking, and my shoulders are very badly paining. So master said, yes, lot of people do carry this pain knowingly, unknowingly. We carry unforgiveness, ungratefulness pain, which is not in our mind. We are not able to let go. So sometimes you have to throw that rotten potato sack and let it go. It is absolutely. So then next move to another pain, which is upper back pain, which is lack of emotional support. A person might be holding back his feeling, not able to express. Low back pain, lack of finance. This indicates that financial worries are in your life. Pain in hand, lack of friends. Uh, then pain in knees, that indicates high self-esteem. Pain in ankles, which indicates you are more need of pleasures on your life. Do you often realize, after if you're doing cooking or any kind of standing work, after 15-20 minutes or after 30 minutes, you get that swelling in your legs? That might be a sign of depression. So do not ignore this pain. You need to seek out for the long time pain. You need to seek out uh, help from mental health suffer from burnout when we handling the clients. See, day night when we handle suicidal cases, we have relationship problems. we handle anxiety, depression. So sometimes even that affect us. So I even ask for help from my friends, psychologists. So my request to you is, why to wait until it becomes some disorder or someone might lose their life. Secondly, as a family, I have seen a lot of people who realize they are need a help. They need to see mental health professional practitioner, but the family sometimes doesn't support. So they say it is okay. It's being a temporary. You are feeling through this because of some situation, and you don't require to go. Please support. Some might you not be aware on the seriousness of the pain or the person condition what he's going through. So it's better when you can, you should ask for help. Thank you.